So if you're looking for weird stuff, free art to check out, Joshua Tree is certainly the place to go. Case in point with what I'm about to show you. Follow me. As always, check out my book. Info is in the description below. Tiny house heaters from Envi, eheat.com. That link's also below. And free shed plans from the Jamaica Cottage Shop in Vermont. Here we are. So if you want to find this, it's next to the world famous Crochet Museum, which is a highlighted feature on atlasobscura.com, which I've seen before. But the treehouse, like, I don't know, alien Ada Walker kind of thing, is certainly new. This is crazy. Last time I had in here, it was more mirrored, maybe?
No, remember they had the mirrors on the floor.
Oh, that's right.
Number 2 is Moppy.
Look at that, it's a heart. Crazy.
Look at that.
Do I want to?
Yeah.
That's pretty cool.
Look at the price tag underneath it. Not that cool.
That is pretty cool.
And this is what you should do with that TV.
What a cool space, though.
Yeah.
All this stuff, just to be able to come in here and see it for nothing. Very fun. What's this one over here?
You gotta see this one.
Creepy. That's kind of fun. Tough to film here because everything's reflective, so there I am. Thing's almost blinding, so reflective. Look at the size of these legs too. Crazy. This is Birmingham written all over it. Watch your language, Chris. I'm shooting video. Sorry. We're here with Chris Straffy, the capable carpenter.
This is awesome.
Yeah, we're Joshua Tree, right in the center of town. And this is near the Crochet Museum, Art Queen Alley, something like that. Last time we were here, this was not here. Crazy. Although whoever the artist is, they continually do this kind of the motif, the well, you know, if you look at the shapes. Just the cushions are so bizarre. Oh, and someone else we know. The Notorious. Notorious!
The $1 million hands.
Roy St. Clair, former hand model, LA legend. Just the welding here, just it's crazy. It's like octopus theme.
You want to go in there?
Yeah.
I mean, it's adults allowed to climb the ladders.
Everything's like like so reflective. I'm getting blinded just trying to film this, looking at stuff. Let's build something in the desert that's made of nothing but glass and clear.
Let's put a greenhouse in the air.
Love it though, really cool. Even the metalwork on the walls that's layered, really neat.
Yeah, it looks like a topographical map.
Yeah. This would be a pretty awesome, futuristic, spacey treehouse.
Wonder how hot it gets in here.
Well, what is it outside right now? Like 80s? It's not that bad. It looks like a cable car, like kind of lift. Here's the door on the side. You know, like a tram up a mountain way.
You're exactly right. Yeah.
With weird disco boulders swinging underneath it. Giant disco chicken McNugget. Now that is pretty darn cool. And weird. Definitely weird. So here we are the next day at a shipping container that's kind of off the 29 Palms highway on the side of the road. What's cool about this, it's a dual unit with space in between, and I'm hoping it will be open. It's for the public to see. And it's not. You can see some of it here. It looks like a hidden space in the back. Maybe that's the bedroom. We'll check it out as we go up these treacherous stairs here. I like this sunshade divisional space right here with the structure that holds up the solar panels. That's pretty cool. You're making some outdoor space function as living space as well here. I'm guessing it's about 16 feet wide, this deck, as each container is 8 feet wide. This one maybe is the, I don't know what this side would be, but you have, you know, dual living spaces. This is locked as well, unfortunately, and they're just storing a bunch of junk in here right now. You can kind of get a feel for the space a little bit. That's looking towards downtown Joshua Tree. There's a Joshua Tree. I like this horizontal siding quite a bit. Kind of hides the fact that it's this, you know, it's this ugly shipping container. Hoping this one's open here. It's not. I like those chairs, kind of cool. This looks like a little kitchen space here. I'm guessing around the corner, this is a divisional wall with the cabinets behind there is probably where you might stow a bed. But even though we can't get inside, it just gives you a few ideas as to what you might be able to do with a space like this. And the best idea here is the fact that they're two separate units with this breezeway, bridgeway in between, which gives you all that living and hanging space. You know, you could put a little fire pit on there maybe. Both these units and the deck itself are all built in trailers separately. Now we're moving to my camp out here in 29 Palms next to Joshua Tree. We're doing a workshop here coming up. Going to be small, intimate, great place to hang, so much fun. Networking. We'll actually be building a cabin together. There's rock collecting on the site. Crazy salvage all over the place. It's just awesome. This is one of the van camps we worked on with a $200 van. This is where we'll be hanging, working on some crazy art as well, in addition to tiny house building and framing. And this is the site. This shot's about a year ago, actually. And it was a mess. Former RV park. We've been cleaning it up. It looks way nicer than this now. But it's just fun to take something that's been so neglected and that's so beat up and to return it to its former glory, to make it beautiful again. Lots of land to work with, to camp on, over 5 acres. We found some cool stuff in the land, some valuable antique car pieces. And again, this is where we hang out, BYOB, talk at night, you know, demos, live speakers, all that with a very small group of about 16 people. And RelaxShacks.com has the signups for that, which is happening in May. This is the interior of the van too, done with a lot of salvage and stuff on site and cheap materials with some graffiti work as well. That was part of the workshop that people could stay in. It's just a lot of fun. Again, if you want information on this, or again, some of the free shed plans and other stuff I mentioned earlier in the video, just go to the description below or head over to RelaxShacks.com. There's a banner there you can click on for a bunch of information on that. We hope to see you there. It will be a heck of a good time, I promise you, in a very unusual and fun setting.